Hi. May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore?
My name is Pallavi and I stay here nearby only. I stay in Ikmal.
Okay. How old is your child?
My daughter is 4.7 years.
What kind of classes and activities were you looking for her?
See, I was very particular about my daughter's education. So basically, I didn't want to pressurize my daughter. I wanted my daughter to, the foundation I wanted to be very strong. So I didn't want to put her in a mainstream school and pressurize her and put loads and loads of, homeworks and all those things. So I wanted her to put into a play school first. So that is how I've chosen Jumbo Kids.
And which other play schools did you consider?
I had here nearby this area, Little Millennium was there.
Okay.
And then Jumbo Kids was there. There were a few more schools, but I always have a very, I do a lot of research on these things. So I keep on asking the parents, and then finally I heard Jumbo Kids is a very good school. So that's how I decided on putting my daughter into Jumbo Kids.
And why did you finally choose Poddar Jumbo Kids Pondicherry?
Because I found the reviews was really good, and they take a lot of pressure. A lot of interest, and the way they put things across to the kids, it's really commendable. So they're like, what do I say? Simple example, like kids who cannot speak English, they started to speak English after they joined Poddar Jumbo Kids. So that kind of example that I'm giving you. That interest they take, and the teachers are really good.
Right.
I have seen my daughter growing, so I was really very happy the way Jumbo Kids has. After joining Jumbo Kids, my daughter is very, very good. So I'm very happy with Jumbo Kids.
And as you already have quite some time, tell us two best things about Poddar Jumbo Kids Pondicherry.
The first thing that I would want to tell you that Jumbo Kids really, they always, for whatever activity they have or anything, they always, they wanted always the parents to get involved.
Right.
And that is one of the best things that I have seen. So not mainstream school, they never do that.
Right.
Poddar Jumbo Kids always wants the parents to get involved with the activities, whatever the kids are learning. So any activity that happens in the school, always the parents will be involved. And the second thing is the teaching method. Teaching method is really very good over here.
And anything that could be better?
Not as of right now, because I have seen my daughter growing. So my daughter has really done a great achievement. Her growth was really very good after she joined here. So I'm really happy with Jumbo Kids, the way she's progressed.
And on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely to recommend Poddar Jumbo Kids to other parents?
I would give 5 because I've seen my daughter growing. I would give 5 to Jumbo Kids.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.